Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Today, in your class, I will do question number 8 of 6.1, 8 and 9 for you. Let's try. Question number 8. The whole exercise, exercise, I have seen that they are trying to, all the questions are trying to clear your concept on number line in between negative and positive numbers. So this question also in the same way they are doing. Let's see the question. Question number 8a, exercise 6.1 NCERT. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So minus 20, I am taking on the help of a number line. If minus 20 is here, then the greater number must be right side of this, and only 4 greater number they are asking. So many greater numbers are there, you can write any one. So greater number of minus 20, very easily you have to go to the right side. You can choose any 4 numbers, but to clear your concept, I have shown this number line. If it is 20, then minus 20, then the next greater number will be, minus 19. Next greater number will be minus 18. Then next greater number will be, I am going right side, so one by one I am going one greater integer, minus 17. Minus 16, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits I have already got. So can I write these numbers which are greater than minus 20? Yes, so we can write our answer. The numbers greater than minus 20 are, I have to choose this one. You can choose any one from this side. Minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. Understood? They have asked 4 numbers only, so I have choose only 4 numbers. Next, write integers. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. So less than minus 10, you will go to the right side or left side. Again, it is a number line I have drawn for you. As it is less than minus 10, so you have to go to this side, less than minus 10. So you go to this side only. 1, 2, 3, 4. After minus 10, it will be minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, and so on. So many numbers you can get from here. So they are asking only 4 digits which is less than minus 10. You can choose these numbers. So the numbers you will write in this way. The numbers which is greater than, which is less not greater, less than minus 10 are, answer, you can write your answer in this way. Minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11. Is that clear? Student, can you see the board? And when we are writing the less number and greater number of this integer, I have taken the help of a number line. As you are the beginners of this integer section, if you use this number line, it will be easy for you to clear your concept. Next question is the question is write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. They have given you the responsibility. Write true or false. True or false you can write, but you have to correct the statement which one is false. So let's try. Now see question number A. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Minus 8 is minus 8 is on the right of minus 10. Let's check. Say it is minus 10. Right side it will be minus 9 or left side it will be minus 11. You know that minus 9, minus 8. In this way it will go to 0. You know that minus 7 and minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. In the right side it will go in this way. So the question was minus 8 is the right of minus 10 on a number line. Check. It is minus 10 and it is minus 8. Is it right side of minus 10? Yes. Yes, it is correct. So the statement is true. You will write true. And this one I have given for clear the concept. You can do it in the rough portion also. No need to show in the here, but you can do this in the rough portion. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Think, minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Check minus 100 and minus 50. Which one will be the right? Minus 100 is, you know that on numbers, first you make the, when it is in the ordinary number, when both are positive, 100 and 50, if both are positive, then 100 is greater and 50 is smaller. 100 is greater and 50 is smaller. But it will become just opposite if I give one minus sign here. Then it will become a smaller number, then it will not become a greater number and it will not become a smaller number. If minus I have given here, they become just opposite of it, because on the number line 100 will be more left side than minus 50. So what is given there? 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. It is false. So what you have to write? False, and you have to correct the answer also. You have to correct the answer also. 100 is to the right of 50. No. Answer will be minus 100 is to the left of minus 50. Up to here we will finish today. Tomorrow we will do the next part. Check the question and the answers from here. These two sums I will do afterwards. Understood? Thank you, students.